guys, welcome back to another video. Something a little different. Hey Fuggy, say hi. Hi. Okay. So we're out here at a dock at my Ninong's place.
You can use this one.
Hey Colin, say hi.
Windy. You use
Dad,
this
say
one?
hi.
Okay. They're gonna bring you all over.
Everybody vlog.
Yeah. You want to say hi?
Hi vlog. Like and subscribe.
Yes, Casey.
Hi.
Oh, Tito, say hi.
We're here.
Yeah.
Holiday extended.
Yeah.
I like it.
Mommy. Alright. So yeah, we're out here. We're having a picnic. Like it's like weekend, so.
Mom, what have we vlogged?
Are you okay?
I swallowed water.
Oh no. Come and drink more water. I mean, like drink water, not seawater. Yo, look at all the food we have. Got pizza, and the Vivian made. We got some puto.
Pizza.
Got some pancit. We're gonna have some barbecue later. We have Adidas. Yeah, so it's like really windy, but we'll see what we can see under the water later. I actually already took a dips, and like I saw this really big like squirrelfish. I'm gonna try and find it later. We'll see. Any parting words?
Subscribe.
Thank you. Hi Ninong.
Hello.
So we're here at
everyone.
yeah, we're here at Ninong's dock. It's really windy.
Yeah, it's very windy right now.
Yeah.
And we're having a good time. Anyway,
Yeah.
having a pizza right now, but later on we're having barbecue.
Yeah.
And today is Sunday and everybody is enjoying the day off. So
Yeah, it's family day.
it's a family day.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. Hi Auntie Vivian.
Hi. We're here at Bermuda, Harrington Sound. It's so beautiful here.
Yeah, we're gonna show you around
Take you
here.
around
Yeah.
and see
On the
how
water.
beautiful Bermuda is.
You know,
This is Harrington Sound. Look at that.
Yes. Thanks, Auntie. That caught a little yellow grunt. Nice. Okay, it's on, it's on.
Hi vlog. So Uncle June.
Whoa! Woo! Nice, dude. Nice, dude. It's a silk snapper.
Taas mo anak, taas mo.
Wow. Dude.
Taas mo yung ano.
Wow, look at that.
That's clean. What type of fish is that?
It's a silk snapper. Yeah.
Fish.
Nice. Yeah, look at that. Alright. Excuse me, but I got you that little baby grunt. Well, not a baby grunt, but a small grunt. And it was a good bait.
You mean like this one here?
Still.
This baby one that I just caught? That one?
Like the first one, I gave him a good, like a nice sized baby grunt.
Oh, this one stays alive.
Okay. Yo. Alright, so I'm gonna go and rinse off, and these guys, they're gonna go fishing. Yeah. Wave to vlog.
Kasi you got anything? Small fish.
Yo, I can't believe it. My brother got the squirrel fish I saw in the water. Yo, that was quick. You were there for like a minute. Wow. Look at that. Nice. Hey, it looked really big on the water. Okay. Let's go. Oh, Dad got the girl growing. Nice, Dad.
Yeah, sandali lang yan.
So we're like in this part because it's sort of windy, so we need to go to like a little sheltered area. Okay, we are here fishing. Fishing.
Kasama ba si Cassandra? Babe?
Siguro, sa taas.
Oh, okay. Squirrel fish.
Okay, barbecue grilled silk snapper. And
Look
yeah,
at that.
some chub.
Wow.
Yeah, nice.
The burnt pieces.
Houndfish.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right? I always say like it's not burnt,
Nice.
it's flavor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it
Nice.
smells
You know,
good.
flavored charcoal is a thing.
Like
Like seasoned charcoal.
yeah, liquid smoke. Yeah, that's up. Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
The real camping experience.
Exactly.
We're in naked and afraid.
We're not that extreme.
I would die.
Yeah, it'd be nuts. All right, so what time is it? Like 7, 8ish.
I have no idea.
It's like yeah, like 7, 8ish. Oh,
8:29.
it's 8:29. So things are calming down. The sun's already set, and yeah, after a day of swimming and fishing, we're just chilling now, and the fish is grilling over there. Nice. Cool. Hi.
What time is it?
Nice.
8:30 at night, but look at that. It's still daylight.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yep.
It's awesome. The days are really long.
Day.
Yeah. It's nice for summer because then we can do like a lot of stuff.
Right. So much time to enjoy.
Oh. Yeah, the sun's setting like over there. Yeah, we're just chilling. Oh, Foggy, what you get?
Yellow guard.
Ah, it's a yellow grunt.
Good for bait.
Nice. Yeah, it's like it's like getting nighttime now, so the big fish are gonna come up.
Sure.
Hopefully. It's a good day. It's a really good day.
Can't even catch anything.
I got some grunts. That's good enough for me. And I swam around and like enjoyed. So the light is like slowly going out, and we have a couple flashlights. So I think the quality of this video is gonna go down, but we'll see if anything happens later. Dude! What the heck? Nice! Look at that! You got another squirrel fish. You're really quick, you know? You're really quick at catching these guys. And then I was over there spending like a good 10-15 minutes. I couldn't get it. You can't beat years and years of experience. Oh. What's up, Dad? What the heck? I look away and you already got something else? Nice. Alright guys, we're gonna eat good soon.
Just dip,
She must be finished by now.
just dip the vinegar and the soy sauce. My phone.
Mapanisay. Yung pago. Ito lang yan. Wala. Nasa
Nice.
trawa, Mom.
Grilled
It's
fish.
early sleep. How much you guys eating? That piece. That big
Nice.
piece. Ano man?
I need some too.
Here, here.
Nice.
Oh, wait, can you just get it for me, Mom? Tama na yan.
Why do I have a story? There's more fish in that.
Whoa. Sandra, here.
I'm giving a cool audio.
Mmm. Oh, that's well, Ma.
Yeah, it's
That's really good.
Yeah.
The sasawan.
Upo ka ng konti. Baka.
I just want like another bite. There's one more bite. Where's the light? Oh well. Mmm. Really good. Oh, you know? Stop talking there.
What do you want?
There's Auntie Vivian.
Hi. We're eating right by the ocean.
Mmm.
And it's 9 o'clock at night.
Oh.
Start now then.
That's nice. Having like a little mini poodle fight right next to the ocean.
And I'm gonna eat the
Squirrel.
freshly catch. I threw it in the char in the barbecue while still alive. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, fish.
Oh dear.
So cruel, right?
Kain ka? Huh? You too. Let's go.
Wala ko dito. Ilagay mo doon, Mayo, kasi para makita.
Ah, yeah, that's the Adidas.
Yes, everybody's favorite,
The
right?
chicken feet.
Not everybody, every Filipino's favorite.
Yeah. These are really good. Don't knock it till you try it.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, Colin.
I'm scared.
No, it's really good. Just don't like eat through the bones.
I'll try it.
Come on.
I haven't tried this before. Alright, let me get my spill with nuts.
Good. How is it?
It's really good.
Good, no?
The meat is sweet.
Yeah, it was.
So good? Yeah. No, not yet.
Hey, Dad.
Hey, we got more mackerel sticks in here, guys. Yeah.
Oh, pass me the flashlight because we can't see you. All right.
Yeah, I got more mackerel. Mackerel
Yeah.
sticks. It's gonna be ready in a few minutes.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Wow. Smells good. Salt and pepper, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, simple
Yeah,
and delicious.
Just a few minutes, it should be cooked.
Alright.
Yeah.
Nice, Dad.
Okay.
Good job. Nice.
Yeah.
Yung maliit?
Hmm.
Nasaan yung kalate?
Sa akin na, andun.
What?
Nice.
Oh. Yung snapper.
Yeah, Ninong's not here yet.
Where's the small one?
The snapper.
Dad ate the other half.
That's the fat one there.
Yeah.
You can eat it this way.
Okay.
Oh, here's Ninong with the cheesecake.
I'll save this for later.
Wow, thanks, Ninong. Wow.
Ano isda oh?
Huh?
Isda.
Oh, kumain. 3.
Ninong, that's so bright.
Battery maliit lang. Pero, 600.
Wow, that's so nice. Where did you get it?
Ha? And very nice.
Wow, Ninong.
Magkano daw bilhin natin?
It lights up the entire area. Wow, look at that. That one lamp, that's so nice.
55.90.
Whoa, let's go. Look at mine.
Wait, I have to put my...
That's definitely roasted.
My okay, look, no. I've been doing it for like 2 minutes. Oh, why do you have 3? Okay.
Alright, let's... It's hot. Whoa, I want... Oh, Dad, could you hold this?
Ooh, it's hot. Oh my god.
Thank you.
Ooh, that's
Wow.
nice. Ah, that's hot.
That's not hot?
I did.
Huh? That's alright.
A nice marshmallow.
Yeah. Wait, I want my phone. Huh?
Nice.
Mom,
Nice,
look.
darling.
Alright, this is fine.
He gave us. Call him. Look, call him.
Oh,
Call
take that
him.
out. Don't like it. That's burned.
I like mine.
Burned already.
I like mine.
We're all just here. Vivi, Cassie and Colin. Mom. Fur.
Period.
Alright.
I was like, bye.
Nice.
You need it.
Alright, and there's Mama with the lighting. Thank you. Alright guys, so that's about it for the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next one.